Howdy everyone. I thought on this video we would talk about the blade selection chart. And the easiest way to find it is go to the, well, come on, what happened here? Let's go. I have the website as a favorite, so I can click right on it. It should bring me right to the website. Now to find the blade selection chart, scroll down, quite a ways down, below all the lists of products, and right there is the saw blade selection chart. Click on that. This chart is full of information, especially for the new scrollers, but there's also information for the seasoned scrollers as well. I'm going to show you the top of the chart, and it shows the model number of the Pegasus blade, the size of the blade thickness, the blade width, the number of teeth per inch, and they're calling it a trace. I call it the kerf. Now that's all description for the blade. Then we go into this section here, and it tells the types of woods that are available, that are used for cutting, and also plastic and metal. Now I'm going to take you down, and we'll talk about this a little bit more, but see the little smiley faces, or the normal face, or a frowny face, and that's what this will do. Tells you what kind of woods this works with. Going over here to the thickness, and that's related to the size of the blade. Basically, the thicker the wood, the higher number you have to go with the blade. Then it talks here about the intricate cuts, tight turns, or light turns, and that's where it puts X's in the spaces for those. Surface finish, top or bottom, and there it uses little X's, or excuse me, pluses. And 3 pluses is very good, 2 pluses is okay, 1 plus not so good. Another useful piece of information here is the drill press, the bit that you need. And this gives a size. For example, if you're going to be using a number 1 super skip, you follow on through here and you'd use a number 64 drill bit. I'm going to take you down to the second page, and there's the MGT blades. And notice there are 7 different sizes. As you go through them, I'm going to give the example of the number 3, which is the most common blade. That is Pegasus number. It's the number 3R, although now in the package they have SPR on the package. And I found out that that really means the superior performance reverse. The 3R has a 0.0126 width, I gotta go back up here. Thickness, and it is 0.0335 thick, has 12.4 teeth per inch, and the kerf size is 0.0142. Now what's really important about this is it works with almost anything. See all the nice little smiley faces there, but 2 frowny faces, and those are a metal, both the aluminum type material and the ferrous, non-ferrous and ferrous materials. The number 3 is ideal for 1/3 inch to 4/5 inch, and you can do intricate cuts with it. It has good 4 pluses all the way down for the surface. It gives you a really smooth surface finish, and 3 pluses on the bottom side because there are reverse teeth. And it uses the number 60 for a minimum bit size. Going to page 3, we'll take you down here to the bottom, and this shows the different colors that you use for the smiley face, which is recommended. The even face, I'm going to call it that, which is possible use, and the frowny face, which is not really recommended for use. Now, general information: the smaller the blade number is, the smaller the radius it will cut. The smaller the blade is, the narrower the trace will be. These are all standard information, but good for everybody. So now let's say I'm going to take you back page here. You get this little arrow back to one. Let's say I've got go on the top, I've got a piece of hardwood, and it's about 1/2 inch thick. So I need this size, and I got to find from there down here. And if I'm using a 1/2 inch, something like this, I noticed I can use a 5 or a 3. It works very well on the MGT blades. It will give me nice intricate cuts and nice to eat finishes both top and bottom. If you have any questions on this, give me a holler. Again, it's available on the website, and the website is artcrafterscrollsaw.com. Thank you.